Hi, it's Elizabeth Monroy, and I'm coming to you with greetings from the Infinite Human, and I want to just tell you about a few interesting, wonderful things that are happening in the next several weeks in this wonderful month of May. This coming weekend, we are having the wonderful Festival of Healing and Spiritual Awareness on Bardstown Road across from Rainbow Blossom at the American Legion, which is behind that log cabin. And we'd love to have you come. It is this Saturday and Sunday, the 16th and 17th of May. The doors open at 10 a.m. and we'll be there till I think 6 p.m. both Saturday and Sunday, maybe 5 on Sunday. And I will be giving a free workshop on finding your life purpose. It's actually very different than anything you've ever experienced. And even if you say, oh, I know my life purpose, it's actually it has to do with thinking in new categories and doing many different things around your life purpose and expanding in multitude of areas. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'll also be doing readings on life purpose, on relationships, working with you on grief if you have any areas that you may need to look at in that arena. I will be doing tarot and different card readings and psychic scans and readings. I'll also bring some of my psychic art, or well, actually spirit art is what I feel drawn to call it. And I will, speaking of which, I will be doing a workshop the following Saturday, the 23rd of May, at the Infinite Human Institute on Brownsboro Road, 1830 Brownsboro Road, from 1 to 3 o'clock. And it is called Intuitive Transformational Art Workshop. And it is going to be fantastic. You will love it. It is about opening up to your own intuition and your own way of creative expression. We will be using meditation, creative meditation, some experiential exercises, and we will be using a variety of mediums and music and creative movement to learn how you express yourself. You will go into a meditative journey and state as you access your own creative process and creative sparkle and come out with an amazing work of art. You will be surprised at what you find. Not only will you create an amazing work of art, you will find out who you are. Really, your true self will just emerge in this work of art. So I really encourage you to come. It's $35, and you can go to infinitehuman.com, and or you can call me at 502-821-1558, or on Facebook you can join. There's a workshop there, and you can also go to our website and sign up. It's $35 and click on PayPal. There's a lot of people who are coming, so it would be a good thing to reserve your spot, and that way I can also get the materials ready for you. So that's okay. Hi, I just wanted to show you one of the things that you'd be making in the workshop. You have a lot of different possibilities. This is it. Sorry, I can't zoom in because I'm both the director and the talent. So, but this is one of the pieces. If you notice, you can turn it around many different ways. And it uses many different mediums, but it's actually a lot of fun to make. And if you missed this workshop, don't worry, we will be having many others. In one of the workshops, I use archetypical images, Jungian images, and the journey of the hero, and I also incorporate creative writing into it, and we do masks, and this technique I learned in Florence, Italy, and this is a character from my children's book, The Magical Mist. It is quite involved. We'll probably not use such an intense process because this is the ancient form of making masks, like the Venetian masks used in Carnivale, and it begins with terracotta clay modeling. So you can see I created the whole beginning to end image. So it's very interesting. We begin with a mask of the hero at the beginning of the journey, the mentor self and the shadow self, and then the ascended hero or the God-realized hero at the end of the journey. So I hope you'll come out for that. And I use Transformational Art, which I learned in Malibu, California, studying transformational art from some transformational artists from San Francisco. And I'm going to try to move some of these pieces that I've made. They're rather large, so I'm just going to move in front of the camera. I call this one Spring at Last. I did this about a week or so ago, and I think I did it May Day, actually. Yes, I did it May Day. This one, actually, my mother named Mirrors of Your Mind. And this last one is Merlin's Magic Cave. So they're a little hard to see this way, but I'm holding them. But anyway, I hope you'll also come out because I'll have them for sale at the Festival of Healing and Spiritual Awareness. So I hope to see you out there this Saturday and Sunday. at the American Legion building on Bardstown Road across from Rainbow Blossom and the next Sunday, the 24th, we're having a Infinite Human Festival open house from 1 to 5. So we'll have free lectures, and we'll have an intuition workshop again. This time we'll be working again with symbols and learning how the universe talks to you through symbols all around you, through people that you meet, and the symbology, so you can recognize it when you see symbols right in front of your face. And then we'll be doing discounted readings. I'll be offering discounted readings, and we'll just be having a wonderful time. A lot of things going on. So please come out, and I'll see you soon. Bye.